Good day, everybody. My name is Chantal Wendel and I am from Gouda in the Netherlands, and my company name is Sapphire Virtual PA. And I would like to tell you a little bit about my journey to become a VA and how Joanne and the VA Handbook has helped me with that. I first learned about the course in March of 2016 when my boyfriend went to Singapore for 6 weeks for his work. I really wanted to join him, but even though all my colleagues in my team were all over the world, I should stay in Rotterdam because the task would be best performed on site. Okay, that for me was another sign that I was not in the right place. I didn't enjoy myself there. I didn't like the office politics. I didn't like the commute. So I went to Singapore on holiday, 10 days, and online all day when he was working to find a solution. I found the VA handbook, and it was really a revelation. I loved it. There's already so much information before you even buy the course about all aspects of the job, about LinkedIn, about your profile, your business name, your business card. You get to join the Facebook group when you buy the course, and everybody is super supportive, and lots of situations you are not alone. Somebody has already experienced it, so if you just go out and ask, very often somebody in the group or Joanne can help you with your issues. I started my business in December 2016, and quite soon it was already too difficult for me to combine with my paid employment. So after, I had some doubts, but I decided to quit my job, my paid employment, per the 1st of January 2018. And I'm now working as a full-time virtual assistant for about 4 months, and I absolutely love it. You get to meet all these different people who are really committed to doing a good and great job, who are also willing to help you as an entrepreneur, but you are able to set your own days, to sleep in as I did this morning. And to do what you love and do it in the way that you love to do it. And again, the course is a great support. Every issue that you need, you can find it, and if you cannot find it, you just ask and they help you. So Joanne, really thank you very much. You're the best, and if anybody is in doubt about buying the course or not, just go for it. It will change your life. Thanks, bye.